Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this device, we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the AMAZFIT logo appears on the screen, which takes about, I don't know, a few seconds, I would say. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which is another few seconds. And here we have it, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.